Now in this that I declare unto you, I praise you not, that you come together not for the better, but for the worse. For first of all, when you come together in the church, I hear that there be divisions among you, and I partly believe it. Now, when he said there are divisions among them, what was happening was people were saying, oh, I belong to Apollos. Oh, I belong to Paul. Oh, I am a follower of so-and-so preacher. They were following different apostles. They were having loyalty instead of to Christ, but to different apostles. And so Paul said, did Apollo die for you? Did I die for you? Why should you be saying, I am for Apollo, I am for Paul, I am for this apostle, I am for that apostle? Why are you causing division in the church? He said, but I partly believe it. I heard that there is division among you, and I partly believe it, Paul said.